All teachings on the common or lesser vehicles were passed on to the 7 Patriarchs, including Mahakashyapa, who was appointed by the Buddha to be his successor, Ananda, who was the successor of Mahakashyapa, and so forth. Thus, these teachings began to spread and thrive in the world. For the common Mahayana doctrines, the sections dealing with the profound view were compiled by Manjushri, and the sections on extensive conduct by Maitreya, both of which have flourished throughout the world. The uncommon Vajrayana teaching of secret mantra was compiled and carried forward, generally, by the lords of the 3 families, and, specifically by Vajrapani, the glorious lord of secrets, who had the main responsibility of transmitting the tantric teaching to the human realm. Meanwhile, numerous great masters, such as the 2 Supreme Ones and 6 Ornaments, ensured that the Buddhadharma would thrive in the Holy Land of India, like the sun shining on the earth forever.